Hi there, I'm Paddy and I'm from Hexigone Inhibitors, and we exist because we've got a solution to an industry problem. And industry actually created the research project that started my doctorate. So why do we exist? We're here to replace hexavalent chromium. What is hexavalent chromium? It's also known as chromium-6. And this chemical is still widely used today, yet it was the subject of the film Erin Brockovich back in 2000 from a scandal of a town called Hinckley. It's about 5 hours away from here. It's an hour north of LA, and it's completely decimated by hexavalent chromate. It gave everyone cancer. The drinking water is still unsafe. They can't irrigate the land. The houses are now worthless. So this at the bottom here is a form of hexavalent chromate, and this is a pigment form. This is strontium chromate. And this is used in all these markets. So you're being surrounded by it if you came in a car today, when you fly on planes. It's used as a corrosion inhibitor. It's highly effective, highly toxic. But as you see, all these markets use it, and it's just from the bolts that are holding your car and the plane together to the paint that protects the outside. So what have we got? Our solution looks away from chemicals. We use a chemical, but we use it in an intelligent reservoir system. And this sits in the coating, and these are micro and nano pigments, and they sit in the coating, and they sense when they need to turn on and off. So it gives longevity to your product, a longer life cycle before recycling your product. And they sit there and they know when there's an activity that they need to release, and then they protect and stop any further damage. So this is our product. We're trademarked in Tele-Iron, and we're hoping to be the new global standard in anti-corrosion. We've had customer testing and approval in Europe. So in Europe, there's a legislation banning the use of hexavalent chromate. So this was meant to have stopped being used last September. It's been extended to January 2019. So there's a need in Europe. We've got industry pull in Europe. We've had drop-in replacement testing. We don't have any physical detrimental effects. We actually increase it in some places. We have 2 patents, registered trademark, and there's an IP pipeline going back a long way. So in the recent months, we've increased our process. We've simplified it. We're scaling now. We can make it cheap. We've done our particle sizing. This has led to an increase in performance. And in the UK, these are our funding partners, our awards, and our research partners that we're working with. But it's a global issue. So in the last 4 or 5 months, and by joining Plug and Play, we've been able to do global business development. We're now working with PPG, Sherwin-Williams, Magna International as potential customers. And then we're working as manufacturing and development partners, so indestructible paints for our formulation work, and Merck Chemicals as a business partner. So we've got a very strong team. Our chair, we've got a lot of finance. So Owen at the top is very strong finance. Then coming down, we have myself and we have our non-exec directors for our fundings. And then at the bottom, then we've got our mentors and advisors. And these are experts in the corrosion world, in Welsh Government to help us grow, CEOs of chemical companies, and Tata Steel directors. What are we looking for? Corporate partners to pilot technology, investment for growth, and manufacturing partnerships to support the rapid growth. Okay, thank you very much.